Must have Amazon finds you need in your life. These are the air fryer liners. Made from unbleached parchment with a food-grade silicone coating, they keep your air fryer clean by catching grease and crumbs, no scrubbing needed. This 2-in-1 spatula is perfect for flipping pancakes, eggs, fish, and more, without the mess. The ergonomic design gives you a comfortable grip, making cooking faster, easier, and cleaner. This is the Silicone Gripper, your tiny but powerful kitchen helper. These fingertip sleeves are heat-resistant and give you a secure, non-slip grip on hot pots, pans, and handles. Super compact, easy to store. This is the oven rack puller. Made from heat-resistant silicone, this clever tool lets you safely push, pull, and grab hot oven racks with ease. This is the egg slicer. It gives the right chop for what you need, like wedges for a garden salad or slices for a sandwich. It can also chop it into small pieces into its own bowl for egg salad. This is an ice cream holder for kids. It catches drips from popsicles and cones, so their hands and your floor stay clean. It comes with a travel case for mess-free treats on the go. These silicone molds create adorable eggs, bunnies, baskets, and ducks, all at once. Made from food-grade silicone, they're oven, microwave, and freezer safe. This is the pizza scissors, which makes it so much easier to cut pizza and have a built-in spatula for serving. This is the 2-in-1 oil and vinegar dispenser. It features a unique grape-shaped inner chamber for vinegar and an outer section for oil. A space-saving, eye-catching cruet, perfect for salad dressings, vinaigrettes, and more. This is the digital multi-cooker that does it all. With StirMax 360-degree automatic stirring and searing, it sautés, browns, and simmers your meals to perfection. This is the silicone dish scraper. Makes cleanup effortless. From scraping food waste to spreading butter, it's your go-to tool for cleaning and cooking. This is the 2-in-1 Dumpling Maker. Make perfect dumplings in seconds. Press the dough to shape the skin, fill it with your favorite ingredients, and seal easy as that. This sauce holder is perfect for parties, picnics, or even daily meals. It clips easily to the edge of most plates, no more sauce spilling everywhere. This is a portable shake blender, with 4 stainless steel blades that crush fruit fast while preserving fiber. USB rechargeable, weighs just 460 grams, and comes with a travel-friendly bottom cover, turning it into a juice bottle on the go. This is the Cupcake Scoop. It lets you deposit cupcake or muffin batter without drips or mess. The curved edge holds the batter securely until you press the sliding plunger. This is the Silicone Splatter Guard. This spill stopper lid fits perfectly on your pot, keeping everything in place. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, it's heat-resistant, safe, and durable. This Splatter Guard makes cooking safer and easier. This is a jar opener, designed to grip and twist off stubborn lids with ease. It fits jar lids from 1 to 3.7 inches and is perfect for anyone, especially seniors or those with arthritis. This 3-in-1 mini vacuum sealer does it all. Vacuum seals, heat seals, even pumps air into balls or pool toys. With a rechargeable battery and up to 60 uses per charge, it's always ready to go. This adjustable measuring spoon lets you customize your scoop using the built-in scale on the handle. You can measure everything from 30 ml to 130 ml. Perfect for any recipe, big or small. This is a cup cleaner that suctions to your sink and allows you to clean cups, glasses, and bottles super easily. This is the eggshell opener. Crack, cut, and peel eggs like a pro. Whether you're prepping soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or raw eggs, this versatile trio has you covered. This is the Multifunctional Gripper. This clever tool grips hot plates, opens stubborn jars, and even works as a flexible oil funnel. Easy to use, easy to hang, and perfect for daily tasks. This is the automatic pan stirrer. No more standing over the stove. Just place it in the pot, press a button, and let it spin with 3-speed settings and LED indicators. This is the glass rinser. Just press your cup down and watch powerful jets rinse away residue in seconds. It handles everything from wine glasses to baby bottles. No more soaking or scrubbing. This is a stove gap cover that blocks crumbs and spills from falling between your stove and countertop. It's adjustable and removes easily for cleaning. This is a folding trash can that mounts to your wall or countertop. It features a wide opening for easy disposal, folds down to just 6.9 centimeters for space-saving storage, and includes a detachable scraper for quick cleanup. This is the digital measuring spoon. It gives you accurate measurements for coffee, spices, powders, and more. It comes with 2 interchangeable spoon heads, is rechargeable, and super easy to clean. Perfect for cooking, baking, or your morning coffee routine. This is the eggshell peeler. Say goodbye to messy peeling. Just crack, slide, and lift the stainless steel paddle glides under the shell for a clean peel every time. It even comes with a built-in slicer, perfect for salads and sandwiches. This is a fridge drawer divider, a simple tool that instantly transforms messy drawers into organized spaces. Just slide it into place, no tools, no glue. Seal your snacks in style with clips shaped like crispy fries. Built with durable plastic and a strong magnetic case, they stick to your fridge for easy access.